Ever dreamed of going back to ancient Egypt? Or maybe jumping into the future to see flying cars? Time travel is a thrilling idea, but does science say it's possible? And if it is, can we break the universe? Believe it or not, according to one of the smartest scientists ever, Albert Einstein, we're all technically time travelers. He discovered that time isn't a constant, unchanging river. It's more like a stretchy fabric. Here's the crazy part. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. This is called time dilation. Imagine two identical clocks. One stays on Earth. The other goes on a super-fast spaceship. When the spaceship returns, the clock on Earth will show more time has passed than the one on the spaceship. So, astronauts on the International Space Station actually time travel a tiny bit into the future every day. But it's only milliseconds, not exactly hopping to see dinosaurs. What about going way back or way forward? Could we build a time machine like in the movies? Well, scientists have explored another wild idea: wormholes. Imagine the universe like a piece of paper. The shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. But what if you could fold the paper and poke a hole through it? That's what a wormhole might be. A cosmic shortcut through space and time. If wormholes exist and we could control them, they might offer a way to jump to different times. But here's the huge problem. No one has ever found one. And even if they exist, they'd likely be tiny and super unstable. Plus, the energy needed to open and keep one open would be astronomical. Even if we could invent a time machine, there's a massive, mind-bending problem that keeps physicists up at night. Paradoxes. The most famous is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you invent a time machine. You decide to go back to the past, before your grandparents even met. For some reason, you prevent your grandfather from ever meeting your grandmother. If your grandfather never met your grandmother, then your parents would never be born. And if your parents were never born, then you would never be born. But if you were never born, then you couldn't have gone back in time to stop your grandparents from meeting in the first place. See the problem? It's a never-ending loop that breaks all logic. The universe just can't allow it. This isn't the only paradox. What if you went back in time and gave your younger self a winning lottery ticket? Where did that winning information come from if you never originally had it? Scientists have come up with some clever solutions, like the multiverse theory. This suggests that when you go back in time and change something, you don't mess up your original timeline. Instead, you create a new separate timeline where that change happens. Your original past remains untouched. So, you might go back and save the dinosaurs, but you'd be creating a brand new dinosaur-filled universe, while the one you left behind remains dinosaur-free. So, can we travel through time? Small jumps to the future are proven by Einstein, but big jumps into the past or distant future are still one of science's greatest puzzles, full of mind-bending physics and universe-breaking paradoxes. What do you think? Will humans ever solve the paradox and master time travel? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved exploring the mysteries of time, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science videos. See you next time.